lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Make it natural with BEECEE. And if today is the first time of coming across any of my videos, you are highly welcome. In this channel we always talk about recipes, and if that is your choice, you are in the right place. Kindly do me this huge favor: subscribe to my channel, on your notification bell, and don't forget to give the video thumbs up, so that whenever I drop another interesting recipe like this, you will be among the first set of people to see it, to learn from it, and to enjoy it. My old subscribers, you guys are always amazing, and I promise I will never take you guys for granted. Thank you for checking on me once again. And this is another recipe video where I'll be showing you guys the proper way I wrap my samosa, and the quick method I will show you guys in this very video. There's a lot of ways that you can wrap your samosa, but I will show you the simplest way to wrap it. So, and in this video I use vegetables matched with potatoes and rice, boiled egg to prepare my samosa. And you can even use any protein of your choice to prepare your own. You can use fish, you can use chicken, you can use turkey, you can even use beef to prepare it. So far is your choice. Thank you for watching. Lovely people, this is how I fry the vegetables
before matching it together with the potatoes. But guys, pardon me for the poor lighting of this part. I'm very sorry. It's because I'm using natural lights, and it's during my editing I see that it's a bit dark and there is nothing I can do. And I want you guys to see this part because I want you to know that you have to match the vegetable very well with the potato. So in order for you to be able to enjoy it while eating. So this is all what I did here, and I'm very sorry for the poor lighting here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.